Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Ethereum on any Windows or laptop PC. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. Guys, through this video, step by step, I will show you how to mine Ethereum on any Windows PC. Guys, the very first thing is you have to open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Once you are here, the unmineable miner is the easiest and fastest unmineable miner that you can mine different kinds of tokens here with the unmineable miner on your Windows PC. Guys, through this video you will learn step by step how to mine Ethereum. You can see guys, Ethereum is available in the list, so I will show you. Simply, first thing is you need to click on get started to download. It is set up. Here is the MFI version and the base version. Guys, the MFI version and base version are the differences is that you can see that is around 105 MB and this one is 50 MB. Guys, the both version needs configuration, so I have uploaded several videos that you can configure the unmineable miner with the Phoenix miner, NB miner and T-Rex miner. Guys, as I have already downloaded the unmineable miner and installed it on my Windows PC, simply navigate to the Windows Start menu and type unmineable. You can see guys, unmineable miner MF5 and click on that. Here is you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So guys, click on the continue. Here you can select your mining hardware, that is GPU and CPU. You can select any of them, so I will select GPU. And you can see guys, the mining software is Phoenix miner and it is configured with that. Guys, you can configure with the Phoenix miner, NB miner, LOL miner and T-Rex miner. So click on the next option. Here guys, you can select the coin or token that you want to mine, so simply click on this and type Ethereum. Here is the Ethereum, select that. Here you have to enter your wallet address. In this case you need to copy the Ethereum wallet address from the Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchanges that you are using. So guys, a very simple step that you can easily install the Trust Wallet inside your Windows PC. Also, I will provide the link of that in the below down description. Check the link and learn how to install the Trust Wallet inside your Windows PC. Guys, I will open the Trust Wallet. Here is the Nox Player. Nox Player is an emulator that you can run the multiple or several Android application on that. So guys, here is the Trust Wallet. Simply click on that to open it. Guys, here is the Ethereum that you can see. So simply I will click on this, click on the receive, copy the wallet address, minimize this, go to the unmineable miner and paste the wallet address here. Once you have passed the address, you can set a referral code here. So click on start to start mining Ethereum on your Windows PC. You can see guys, the details, the address, the coin, the payouts, the algorithm, the mining intensity, the worker name, there is the port. If you want to bring any changes to the setting, click on the advanced setting. Here you can select your mining intensity, you can select your GPU mining, and there is the worker, there is the referral code, you can select the port, and you can click on save and restart to make the changes. Guys, click on this link to navigate to the unmineable miner and check the status of your mining on the unmineable.com. Here is guys, you can check this box once your payment is done. Click on the payments, you can check your payments. There is the referral links, you can check your referral link here. So guys, if you share your referral link with your friends, with other people on the social platform, once they joined the unmineable miner using the your link, you will be able to earn 0.25% of your mining reward. Click on the status to check your status of your mining every 7 days, 1 month and every hour. Guys, the mining process will take a few minutes to start mining. So guys, this is the way how you can mine Ethereum on your Windows PC. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.